I'm delighted to be here today for two important reasons. In addition to celebrating the International Year of the Periodic Table, we're also launching a new initiative today called the 1001 Inventions Journeys from Alchemy to Chemistry.
That's what we call chemistry. But how and when was the science of chemistry first invented? The ancient Greeks tried to explain what the world was made of, but when it came to chemistry, they could have done better. Then, 1,000 years later, came a man who helped change everything. He was known as Jabir the Alchemist, but his real name was Jabir ibn Hayyan. He lived in the 8th century and spent most of his life in the town of Kufa.
We are just celebrating this year the International Year of the Periodic Table. And it's a fantastic occasion to talk to the children, to talk to the public about the benefits of science, about the journey of science and the different contributions of the world to this journey of science.
À mon époque, nous connaissions déjà tous ces éléments. Ah, pas autant qu'à mon époque, Jabir.
Fantastic exposition for this event in UNESCO, but most impressive one.
Je suis ravie de ce que je découvre. En un laps de temps très court, on fait le tour de quelque chose de très compliqué et d'une façon ludique.
Alors, comment on va faire pour faire passer de l'état liquide à l'état solide notre sable?
Je connaissais un peu le mode de fabrication par la simplification et le fait de pouvoir vulgariser ça auprès des enfants, c'était incroyable parce que normalement c'est assez compliqué la chimie. Fais passer à tes camarades.
Donc les enfants ont passé une excellente matinée, c'était une animation très vivante.
It's really incredible to do the work with the different representatives of UNESCO and to extend that learning, and a moment of pride for the teachers to listen to the kids respond with almost correct answers from the stuff that we've gone over in class.
You can experiment, you don't need to be in a lab, you don't need to be a great scientist, you can do small experiments and it's about having fun with science.
Ce qu'on a aimé dans les expériences, c'est qu'on peut les refaire chez nous. Maintenant, j'ai envie de faire de la chimie.
So I want to thank very warmly 1001 Inventions for the partnership with UNESCO, how it addresses the children and make them interested and happy to work in science. Thank you very much.
The one, the only, the unforgettable Arabic scholar, Alchemy!
Journeys from Alchemy to Chemistry has been going to many countries around the world. We've started at UNESCO headquarters in Paris, and from there we've been to Berlin, we've been to Beijing, we've been to the All-Russian Science Festival in Moscow, and we're so excited to be in London at the Royal Society of Chemistry.
When those explosive fires are making a lot of fun, like phones and bands and stuff like that.
We're taking a journey back in time over 1,000 years ago as we uncover some of the lesser-known pioneers who helped to establish and lay the foundations of modern chemistry.
It's been an absolute pleasure having 1001 Inventions working with us this week. Seeing the faces of the school children come into our building and be overwhelmed and infused by our subject matter and so engaged in what's going on has been an absolute joy to watch.
Oh, I love bangs! I love bangs! Do you love bangs?
As much as I would like to in class, I'm never ever really going to dress up like Galileo or Isaac Newton. Blowing stuff up with copper liquid and things like that, I mean, it's as close as you can get to magic.
the children are highly engaged. They're learning so much in a short space of time, but they're walking away with key words, key facts. They're absolutely buzzing with excitement for science, which is really nice to see.
I don't think I've met any scientists before, and they were very interesting. It was easy for us to understand, whereas science is like complicated and there's so many words that some people don't understand, like me.
There is science in things that are very simple, like soaps, perfumes, cabbage, or even cornstarch.
These are fun paths. We really don't have enough people going into science. We certainly don't have enough women going into science. And out of the sciences, we don't have enough people going into chemistry.
I'm going to tell my parents about the soaps because my nose is very good.
The kids are very excited to be here. Some of them have never met a scientist before, and us being there showing them that anyone can be a scientist and that scientists are everywhere.
I think in lessons at school, they're going to be very excited about science. I think they're going to want to go more science trips, and it'll just be that lifelong learning. They'll always remember something from this day.
This has been a really important year for us at the Royal Society of Chemistry. We're celebrating the International Year of the Periodic Table. It's been a real opportunity for us to promote our subject, our communities, and the people who use the periodic table as such a vital tool.
I would like to become a scientist.